Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages you should have a hotspot toggle. For me it is on the second page right over here. Once you see yours you can hold it the first time around and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, select hotspot settings, and I recommend starting off with the password, which will be randomly generated. I personally like to change it to something a little bit easier to remember. I like to select an easy password. It is hotspot only, so I don't use it all the time, so the password doesn't really matter to me. Now, we have a bunch of other settings here, which you can go over and customize, though if you don't know what they do, I recommend keeping them as they are set by default, as this will ensure that your hotspot works with widest array of devices. From there, make sure you select the save button right here to save the password change, and you can close this, find the toggle once more, and this time around just simply tap on it. This will enable your hotspot. Now once you're done using your hotspot, you can quickly turn it off by tapping on a toggle once more, and it is advised to turn it off as hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, just toggle it off so it doesn't waste your phone's battery. And I'm gonna quickly check, some devices do have the option to turn off hotspot automatically, but it looks like there is no such a thing. No, never mind, there it is. So automatically turns off personal hotspot, so after 10 minutes it will automatically be disabled. Now this counts the counter from the moment the hotspot is not being used, as in no data is being used. So you might be connected to it, but as long as you're not using data, it will count this as just kind of towards that turn off timer. So as an example, if you open up some kind of website where you have a long article, you spend 10 minutes reading it, by the time you're done reading it, your hotspot actually might be off. So anyway, just kind of wanted to clarify this. Now, once you're done, like I said, tap on a toggle to disable it and you're good to go. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.